Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the center stand from an Activa. To begin, gather your essential tools. You will need a 10mm wrench or socket to loosen the main bolt. A hammer and a punch will be useful for gently tapping out the pivot pin. Also, prepare a sturdy screwdriver or a dedicated spring hook tool for spring removal. Remember to always wear safety gloves and eye protection for this task. Next, let's prepare your Activa for the removal process. First, ensure your scooter is securely placed on its side stand to prevent it from tipping over. If necessary, you can slightly elevate the rear wheel using a sturdy block for better access to the stand. Carefully locate the two main springs attached to the center stand. Also, identify the long pivot pin or axle that securely holds the stand to the scooter's frame. Now, we will proceed with detaching the stand itself. Carefully unhook the two springs from the center stand. A sturdy screwdriver or spring hook will make this easier. Next, use your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove any retaining nuts on the pivot pin. With the nuts off, gently tap the pivot pin out from one side using a hammer and punch. Once the pin is completely free, the entire center stand can be easily removed. Finally, let's cover some important post-removal tips. After removing the stand, take a moment to inspect the mounting area on your Activa for any signs of wear or damage. If you plan to reinstall the stand later, clean the pivot pin thoroughly and apply fresh grease for smooth operation. Remember to keep all components safe. If you encountered significant difficulty during any step, it is always wise to consult a professional mechanic for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.